Dialogues about eating. The two people in the dialogue below want to fix pork chops for dinner, but they later find out that the meat has gone bad.
What are we going to eat for dinner?
I'm going to fix some pork chops.
I'm afraid the meat is rotten.
That's strange. I just bought it the day before yesterday.
Well, I forgot to put it in the refrigerator.
Good for you. Now what should we eat?
Why don't we eat out?
Again? Weren't you just complaining that it's too expensive to eat out?
Not when you're hungry. Choosing a good restaurant. Making a reservation.
Shogun Restaurant.
Hi. I would like to make a dinner reservation.
Of course. What evening will you be joining us on?
We will need the reservation for tonight.
What time would you like the reservation for?
We would prefer 7 p.m.
How many people will you need the reservation for?
There will be 2 of us.
Fine. I can seat you at 7 p.m. tonight. If you would kindly give me your name.
Thank you. The last name is Foster.
See you at 7 p.m. tonight, Mr. Foster.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Good evening.
We have a dinner reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. under the name of Foster.
Yes. Mr. Foster. If you would please, be seated over in the waiting area. Our hostess will be with you in a moment.
Thank you. Would it be okay if we have a cocktail while we are waiting?
Of course. I will tell her.
I would really prefer an outside table. Would that be possible?
Yes. If you would like one of those tables, I could seat you right away.
Yes. That would be great. Thank you.
Here are your menus and the wine menu. And would you like to order your drinks now?
Yes. I would like a vodka gimlet. Please.
Okay. No problem, sir.
Thank you very much.
Ordering food and drinks. Can I start you off with anything to drink?
Yes. May I have some water? Please.
Would you like any appetizers today?
May I get an order of barbecue wings?
No problem. Can I get you anything else?
No. Thank you. That'll be all for now.
Let me know when you're ready to order your food.
I am ready.
What can I get for you?
May I have the chicken with potatoes?
Will that be all?
Yes. That's it.